Okay, I've spent the last week on ChatGPT learning specifically about like recipe writing with their AI software. Anyone that doesn't think this isn't going to completely change the way cooking's done and recipe sites are made is completely bonkers, okay? This is probably the most interesting development I've seen in the world of online food since I've been doing it e-commerce type thing for 10, 15 years. The ability to use their software and just the simple function alone of just going, asking it, I have a can of beans, chicken, and some rutabaga. What should I make for lunch? And it to be able to instantly list off a bunch of dishes is so powerful for an everyday cook at home. The ability to utilize food and reduce food waste just by using the AI technology to give you ideas, right? You have to train in restaurants. You have to be some level of a chef to start making those connections. If I go to any chef and I say, okay, I have manchego cheese and dates and I have bacon, they might instantly think, oh yeah, there's that dish in Spain that's similar with those ingredients. So maybe you do bacon wrapped dates stuffed with manchego cheese, bingo, right? But the ability for a person that has no cooking ability to type those ingredients in and get that recipe idea back, and it writes you a recipe, is so profound and has such an impact, right? And just think of all these jobs and all these positions of people who create content around recipes, who create original recipes, who write recipes. And now you've got this piece of AI software that can just pump out recipes instantly. So go on ChatGPT, try a couple prompts. You can try anything. You can try, what can I make with durian, tuna, and Vegemite? That was one I was playing around with. But you can even do something really, really simple, like just what are 45 ways to use up old yogurt, and it will literally list it off instantly. The ability to use this software so that you can cook better at home and specifically eliminate food waste is the potential that I see, because a lot of people who waste food that they buy, they just don't know what to do with it. They simply don't have the imagination necessary to come up with all different dishes, right? And if all of a sudden, like you look at yogurt and you go, oh yeah, I can turn it into a dip. Oh yeah, I can mix it into baked goods. Oh yeah, I can, create a topping that I can put on freshly grilled meats. These are the types of things that are gonna get home cooks cooking more and using more things in their pantries, in their fridges. So check it out, ChatGPT. It's mind-blowing. I was a doubter, I jumped on it. Anyone that thinks that this isn't just gonna change everything, I think you're living in the past.